BSF cycle rally reached Shillong, where it is welcomed and honoured by Shri Inderjeet Singh Rana, IG BSF Meghalaya at the BSF camp Maupat. Completing the journey of 665 kilometers starting from Tripura and after propagating the message of patriotism and fraternity in the bordering districts of Meghalaya, the cyclists successfully accomplished their journey in the state and will proceed to Guwahati. Inderjeet Singh Rana, while addressing the gathering at Maupat, reiterated that the cycle rally is a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75th year of progressive India. He also emphasized that this rally will spread a message on national integration and patriotism throughout its journey.